My name is Mike. I used to 3 days. Yeah. So before we start our journey to Montevideo, please remain seated for the trip. Don't put your hands outside the boat. And also please take care of your children, alright? Okay, we have to wait here like 30 minutes. Yeah, just kidding. Let's go. So before we start, I'm gonna introduce guys your left side. Okay, look at your left side first. Oh, it's nothing. Nothing. I got that. On the right is the tree house. The tree house was Tarzan, the Tarzan tree house. But now Tarzan went to Africa. He's on a vacation. I miss him. It's you, bro. We're not the longest river in the world. It's 4,000 miles. But don't worry, I know a shortcut. But after once you're in this river, we may encounter some naughty animals who may want to spit the water on us, so you may get wet. If you don't want to get wet, so you can try to say no, no, no. To the animals, ready? 3, 2, 1, no, no, no. Who say yes? I heard it. Whoa, it's a bloody elephant right here. Whoa, 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 yes, 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 yes.
No.
Oh no, look, what's that? It's the father elephant together with the father elephant. If you wake up and spit the water on the swimming brush, you're gonna get wet. Just get down with a friend. Oh no, just kidding. Oh no, what is this? Guys, I don't know. It's so dangerous. I didn't know it. Oh look, what's that? It's a big spider. It's the biggest spider in this river. Oh no. 그래, 오키나 쿠모. 가와야. 오케이, 오키 that's it. Oh look, what's that? It's a king cobra. Got a king cobra. It's the most dangerous creature in the river. Oh look behind you, one more. Gotta go. Finally, we're safe, okay? Maybe not. Do you see that? We have crocodiles. Crocodiles, they are so hungry, so remember, don't put your hands outside the boat, okay? We call them crocodiles. They call us dinner. Finally, in front of us is our scientist camp. It's where our scientists stay, right? Oh, there's no science. What happened? There's so many gorillas. Our scientists, we are there. Get down. We gotta go. Our scientists are gone. Over there is the African safari. There's so many animals right there. Okay, what animals do you see? Yeah, what animals? Zebras, giraffes, and the African elephant, right? So, who can tell me what is the difference between a male zebra and a female zebra? Do you know the difference? The stripes. I show you male zebra on the left side. They're black with white stripes. Female zebra on the right. They're white with black. Again, no? You can try again. Male zebra, they're always on the left side. And female zebra, they're always on the white side. Do you know why? Because women are always right. Yeah. Even the elephant, they agree. Oh no, what's the matter? What's the matter so bad? Is it you, no? What's the guitar? They want to tear the bar. Yeah, go to the cover. On the cover. The people is there so bad, we haven't brushed their teeth for a long time. Oh, but this is my friend, Dr. Shetty. Hello, scientists. How are you guys doing? What are you doing up here? Oh no, I think they're in trouble now. What should we do? Do you want to save them? Do you want to save a scientist? How about you? Yes or no? No. Okay, scientists, remember the lady, she returned to safety, okay? Remember her, she returned, okay? Let's go. Uh-oh, guys, look, what's that? Those girls, oh no, I think we're now the headhunters, really, guys. Over there, the infamous headhunters, so please remember to protect your head, okay? 皆さん、敵変です。彼は頭ハンター。頭大好き。Okay, 守るよ、okay?
Okay.
Let's go for your head. Head sail, right? 頭まだある。
in here.
Oh, That's good. It's time to go back, guys. 3 days straight has gone already 3 days. Yeah, 今彼は OK. Whoa! Okay, but then we get for me a 15 dice trying to run. Let's go! I just want to go home. Oh no, what happened here? I think we get lost again. Yeah, whoa, look. It's the water you blow. Our we can't go through. It's not possible. Can we go back? Go back.
Go back, go back.
Go back, Nina. We can't go back. He's gonna go on fire.
Help me.
Oh, the ghost on fire thing. What do we do? No. Can you save us? I'm not the fire coming. Sir, he has control. I gotta go around. Yeah, finally we survived. We're still alive. Yeah, we make it. Yeah. Well, before we go back with them, if the elephant they come to say goodbye to us. So let's say goodbye to the elephant. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So before we go back for your safety, we have to make one case in